If you're dreaming of a career in cybersecurity, but feel like you're stuck because you don't have any certifications, any experience, or even a tech degree yet, well then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I'm Luke, and today we're diving into jobs for cybersecurity beginners, the stepping stones you need before getting qualified. Did you know that the cybersecurity job market is exploding? It's projected to grow by 32% by 2032. Now that's a lot of jobs. But here's the catch. Most entry-level roles want some experience. So how do you break in? Well, you start by gaining bridge jobs that build real skills while you learn. These aren't your end goal cyber gigs. They're launch pads to pay the bills or to gain hands-on experience and make your resume shine. I get asked all the time by people saying that they're looking to break into the market, but every entry-level role requires 2, 3, or even 4 years experience. And they ask me, how do I get in? Well, in this video, I'll share 6 accessible jobs you can land right now, the skills you'll pick up, the average starting salaries, and tips to transition into cybersecurity. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button if you find this content helpful. So are you ready for the list? Let's get into the 6 jobs that I recommend looking at if you're looking to break into cybersecurity. Job number 1, IT help desk or support technician. Now, this is your classic entry point. You'll be answering calls or emails about tech issues like my printer won't work or I forgot my password. So why is it a stepping stone to cyber, you may ask? Well, you'll deal with real user problems, including spotting phishing emails or basic malware. So what skills may you gain? Well, you'll be troubleshooting software and hardware, customer communication, which is key in cybersecurity. You need to be able to deal with people and stakeholders. And you'll also have an intro to operating systems like Windows or Linux. So starting salary, well, you look at an average of around $45,000 a year, depending on your location. Now, one tip for this transition would be keep a log of any security-related tickets you handle. It builds your portfolio. And while working, you can work on studying the CompTIA Network Plus and the Security Plus on the side. Next up, job number 2, Junior Network Administrator Assistant. So here you're helping set up and maintain networks. So think configuring routers or monitoring traffic or basic cabling even, but it's perfect for cyber because networking is the backbone of security, which is why I recommend looking at the Network Plus as your first qualification or certification. You'll learn about firewalls and VPNs early on. Skills you'll gain. You'll look at IP addressing, device setup, identifying network vulnerabilities, and starting salaries are about $50,000, so it's not bad if this is going to be your stepping stone into cybersecurity. One tip I'd have for you is volunteer for any security audits at work, then pivot to roles like network security specialist. And moving on to job number 3, software tester or QA analyst. Testing apps for bugs. Sounds simple, right? But it's gold for cyber beginners because you'll hunt glitches, which is basically mini ethical hacking, and you might even write simple scripts. Skills you'll gain, you'll gain analytical thinking skills, basic coding in Python or SQL, and vulnerability spotting. Expect around $50,000 to $55,000 to start. A tip to transition later on is look at specializing in security testing, and then you could even look at grabbing the Certified Ethical Hacker certificate, and you're on your way. Job number 4, data entry or junior analyst in a tech firm. So this could be entering data into spreadsheets or databases, ensuring accuracy. I know it sounds boring, but not when it's in a tech company handling sensitive info, because you'll learn data privacy basics like GDPR compliance, which ties directly to cyber roles. The different skills you'll gain, such as becoming excellent in Excel, SQL queries, and intro to data encryption. Looking at a salary average around $40,000 at entry level. Now, a tip here would be to automate repetitive tasks with scripts to show initiative, then move to data security analyst positions later on. Moving on to job number 5, customer support in tech or security companies. Supporting users of software like antivirus tools or cloud services. So think of it as guiding someone through a malware scan. You'll have daily exposure to real threats, and you'll learn skills such as threat awareness. You'll be educating users on best practices and problem solving under pressure, which is key for cybersecurity. Starting pay, you're looking at around $42,000. A tip for transitioning later on would be shadow the cyber team if possible and study on the side. And finally, job number 6, freelance IT gig. So you could be looking at places like Upwork or Fiverr. Now, look at picking up small tasks, set up home networks or basic troubleshooting. It's really flexible, so you can learn cyber skills in your off time. And the skills you'll learn, such as self-motivation, you'll learn diverse tech exposure, and you'll building a client portfolio. Pay varies from somewhere around $20 to $40 per hour. Now, a tip would be market yourself for secure setup gigs and network on LinkedIn to land full-time cyber opportunities once you've got a bit of exposure and experience under your belt. All right, so how do you actually land these? Well, make sure you start off by tailoring your resume. Highlight any transferable skills you may have, even if it's from non-technical jobs like communication from retail. No experience? Fine. Mention tech hobbies like building your own PC or tinkering with apps. Think of anything that might be relevant to the field you're getting in. Use sites like Indeed, LinkedIn, and search for entry-level IT support. Network on LinkedIn, X, or Reddit. While working, build skills with free resources. Google Cybersecurity certificate on Coursera is an option for you. Overcome the no experience loop by starting small and consistent. Set a goal. Get one certification in 3 months while employed. And remember, so if you have a degree in cybersecurity, that doesn't mean you're going to get a job. I'm not saying don't get a degree. I'm just simply saying don't come out of college and expect to get a job straight away. You need some experience and you need to combine that with some certification. So this video talks about some real world options that can help you get your foot in the door. Get one of these help desk or IT support roles. You never know, opportunities could come internally for you to move up, or if not, it will give you some excellent experience that you can put down on your resume to help employers see that you've got the skills that are needed. And there you have it, 6 stepping stone jobs to kickstart your cybersecurity journey. Remember, these aren't forever, they're your bridge to bigger things. Start today, stay consistent, and you'll be defending against hackers in no time. So what's your plan? Drop in the comments, and which job are you targeting first? Let me know. I read all the comments. I'd love to see where your head's at. And if you feel like you need some extra help with this, reach out to me and we can discuss how career coaching can help you achieve this goal quicker. Remember, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more cyber career tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep leveling up your career. I'll see you on the next one.